What's going on, guys? So here's another video for all you beginners out there not quite ready mentally to get into the gym. Here's another thing you can do at home. So in my first video I actually mentioned you should be doing 5 days a week cardio, as well as you should be stretching 7 days a week, and of course you need proper diet all those days a week. And every day you do your cardio, do your planks and side planks. Now, we're gonna add something in because a little extra resistance training never hurt anybody. So what I want you to do, I want you to actually start incorporating in some squats. So by squats, I mean basically, here's how you do a proper squat. Your feet just outside of your shoulders, toes pointed in the exact same direction as your knees, and then you're just gonna keep your chest high, push your hips back, drop down, drop below parallel, then come back up. All right, so let me show you from the side so you can get a better idea of what's going on here. So you push your hips out, drop down, below parallel. So that's how you do a proper squat. If you're having trouble keeping the weight back in your heels, or you just want to improve your form to get ready for later on when you do start lifting weights, just throw your hands behind your head. And this is gonna actually keep you in a much better body position because it's gonna actually open your chest up so you can just drop straight down and back up. It's gonna give you the same idea as if a bar is on your back. So that's really helpful. It'll also start opening your chest up because there are a lot of people who have slouching problems, so they're like this all the time. You wanna open it up. But then of course, I also want you to do push-ups. I know, push-ups suck. Push-ups are terrible. However, these push-ups are gonna help you out simply for opening that chest up, actually engaging more muscle groups, so you can start building some lean muscle mass. Lean muscle mass is gonna be the best way to raise your base metabolic rate so you can actually drop more body fat more efficiently and maintain that weight loss over time. So, doing a proper push-up. What you're gonna do, hands just outside of shoulder width, and you're gonna come down. Do not have your elbows up parallel to the shoulder. Bring it down a little bit, like a 45-degree angle. This will take a lot of pressure off the wrist, a lot of pressure off your elbow, as well as you're gonna work the proper muscle groups. That's what we're really looking for. And you also don't wanna tax your shoulders too much. So, simple push-up. You're just gonna be down. You're gonna drop down, touch chest, and back up. Make sure you touch your chest. If you cannot do a proper push-up like this, just drop your knees down. What I see a lot of people do is they have their butt up in the air. Can't do that. Let your hips drop. So, same thing. Elbows at a 45-degree angle. You're gonna drop down, touch chest, back up. This way you can actually ensure that you're working your chest, your triceps, as well as your front delt. So, what I'm gonna want you to do, break that up, 3 different rounds. Gonna do 20 squats, then 10 push-ups. It's not much, but you're just incorporating this on top of your 5 days a week cardio, your planks, and your proper diet. Hope this helps you out. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm here all New Year's to help you get in better shape. Heck, all years, really, but it is around the new year right now. Anyways, if you do enjoy this content, please subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, do it all, do it all. You can find me on Instagram and on Facebook, Training by Audric. Have a great day.